I got some schedules from my teleschooling, cause the cough. Yeah. So I decided to speak my mind. So I got this fire pit. Oh, and this is my beautiful kitten. Such an angel. But not at 4 a.m. So I got this lighter. Yeah, see, a lighter. So, schedule number 1. Burn. Burn, baby, burn. And schedule number 2. I'm gonna see this. This is my schedule. This is what I feel about school. This is what the cough has driven me. Leave a like if you want the cough to go away, and leave a like if you love my baby kitten, Bibis.